Hello everyone. Welcome to this session on customizing LS Central POS functionalities. In this video, you will learn how to extend standard POS behavior using AL extensions. We will walk through real-world scenarios using event subscribers, custom dialog messages, and input controllers such as POS numpad. The goal is to guide the cashier during daily operations, reduce errors, and ensure compliance, all without modifying base POS code. Let's start with our first scenario. Some products require special handling before they can be sold to the customer. For example, customer identity verification, physical or digital signature capture, manual confirmation before proceeding. Assume that any product whose barcode starts with 555 requires special attention. Before completing the sale, the cashier must verify customer details, obtain a signature, digital or physical. When the cashier scans a product starting with 555, the system automatically identifies the item. A message is displayed. This item requires customer details and a digital signature. This message guides the cashier to complete the required steps before continuing with the transaction. To achieve this, we subscribe to an on after validate item line event. We inspect the scanned barcode. If it starts with 555, we display a POS message. This approach allows us to inject validation logic without changing standard POS behavior. Now let's look at age-restricted items such as alcohol or tobacco. When an age-restricted item is scanned, the cashier must be alerted, customer ID must be verified, the sale should only continue after confirmation. When the cashier scans a age-restricted item, the system detects the restriction automatically. A warning message appears prompting ID verification. Once the cashier verifies the customer's age and confirms, the item is added to the transaction. The sale continues normally. To implement this, we add a field to the item table such as age restriction years. Items with a value in this field require verification. In AL, we subscribe to the on after get item event. We check whether the item has an age restriction. If true, we display a confirmation dialog to the cashier. This ensures compliance while keeping the POS workflow intuitive. Let's move to the next scenario. Retailers often want to collect customer contact details for returns, marketing, and customer identification. Let's look at how to collect a customer phone number during a POS transaction. In this example, we prompt the cashier to enter customer's phone number. The input is collected by the POS numpad, and the value is stored on the POS transaction header. When the cashier presses total, the system prompts for a customer phone number, a numeric keypad opens, and the cashier enters the number and confirms. The phone number is now saved with the transaction. To achieve this, we add a new field, example customer phone number, to the POS transaction header. We subscribe to the on total pressed event. We open the numeric keypad with a custom label. To handle this input cleanly, we use a custom numpad payload enum. This keeps the logic isolated from standard POS features. Since POS uses an event-driven architecture, opening the numpad triggers one event and confirming the input triggers a numpad result event. We subscribe to the result event and save the value to the transaction header, refresh the POS session if needed, and optionally display the value on the POS screen. Now let's move to another scenario. LS Central POS provides multiple ways to guide and alert cashiers. Error messages, warning dialogues, sound alerts, informational POS messages. Examples include scanning a non-existent item, invalid input, special handling instructions, compliance warnings. These mechanisms improve cashiers' awareness, reduce human errors, and force business consistency. That wraps up our walkthrough of POS customization in LS Central by using event subscribers, input controls, action triggers, and alerts and messages. You can tailor the POS experience to meet any real-world retail scenario while keeping your solution upgrade safe and maintainable. In the next module, we will dive into POS panel design, layout configuration, and UI customization.